Hallo und guten Tag. Today we're doing indefinite articles. So you already know der, die, und das, the words for the. Today you're going to learn how to use the word a, or ein und eine. So for masculine and feminine, masculine and neuter I mean, masculine and neuter, you will use the word ein. And for feminine, you will use the word eine. So all that means is a or an. If you want to say an, that will work too. So what we're going to do is we've got some words with der, dies, and das's in front of them, and we're going to change those to indefinite articles. So instead of saying der Tisch, the table, we're going to say a table. So first thing, we will look at the definite article. Der is masculine, so we want to use the word ein. So this would now be ein Tisch. For the second one, we have die Tür. Die is feminine, so we will look at feminine. And we know that we need to use eine because we have that E at the end. So die Tür will now be eine Tür. Number 3, das Fenster. Das is neuter, so we will look at das here. And for neuter, we use ein. So instead of the window, we'll have a window, ein Fenster. Die Kreide, the chalk, feminine. So we will use eine. Eine Kreide. Can't say that I've actually ever heard people utter this phrase before, but the principle of it is the same. Das Heft. Das is neuter, so we'll go up to the neuter and use ein Heft. And the last one here, der Stuhl. Der is masculine, so we will use ein Stuhl, a chair. So the moral of this lesson is if you have something that's masculine and neuter, in other words, if you have der or das, you will replace that with ein. If you have die, you will replace it with eine. And that's all for now. Tschüss.